kids, let's see the alphabets A to Z. A for apple, ant, alligator. A for apple, A for ant, A for alligator. B for bus, ball, balloon. B for bus, B for ball, B for balloon. C for car, cat, cow. C for car, C for cat, C for cow. D for dog, duck, deer. D for dog, D for duck, D for deer. E for egg, ear, elephant. E for egg, E for ears, E for elephant. F for fox, frog, fish. F for fox, F for frog, F for fish. G for grapes, goat, giraffe. G for grapes, G for goat, G for giraffe. H for hen, horse, helicopter. H for hen, H for horse, H for helicopter. I for igloo, iron, ice cream. I for igloo, I for iron, I for ice cream. J for jug, jelly, jackal. J for jug, J for jelly, J for jackal. K for kite, knife, kangaroo. K for kite, K for knife, K for kangaroo. L for lamp, lion, lemon. L for lamp, L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, mango, monkey. M for moon, M for mango, M for monkey. N for nose, nest, nurse. N for nose, N for nest, N for nurse. O for owl, onion, ostrich. O for owl, O for onion, O for ostrich. P for parrot, pigeon, pumpkin. P for parrot, P for pigeon, P for pumpkin. Q for queen, quail. Q Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for Q. R for rabbit. Rose. Rainbow. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rainbow. S for sun. Snake. Star. S for sun. S for snake. S for star. T for tree. Tiger. Teacher. T for tree. T for tiger. T for teacher. U for utensils. Unicorn. Umbrella. U for utensils. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V for van. Violin. Vulture. V for van. V for vulture. V for violin. W for water. Whale. Watermelon. W for water. W for whale. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. X-ray. Xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Yo-yo. Yacht. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yacht. Z for zero. Zoo. Zebra. Z for zero. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, share and like my videos.
Thanks for watching.